very nice function is to export existing budget to Excel and then create new budget and import change data from the Excel. So let's prepare a new budget. We'll call it test 2. First, we need to export existing budget into the Excel. So export to Excel. Okay, number of periods 12, period length 1 month, and we will start from 2020 from the 1st of January. So we will create a file. I will just save it, replace it. Okay, so let's open the file. You will see that we have our periods in the columns and some values in the lines. We can easily add some additional values in here. So let's add more. Let's add some job sales budgets. Okay, so let's save the Excel and we'll just import it into our new budget. If we have saved our Excel, we just switch to our test 2 budget. It's empty. Let's just reverse columns to see it better. Okay, so it's empty, we have no values in it. We just import from Excel, replace entries. Okay, I will show it to the system. Yes. Okay, and the system is creating all the entries from the Excel. As you can see, all the data given by me in Excel is already here. Okay, when you have your budgets ready, you can use some reports to see how it looks in the system. So we can try to print try balance versus budget. Let's try to do it in 2020. System will show you the actual amounts on GL accounts and some comparison with the budgeted amount and the percentage off, so you can compare the values, existing values and some budgets values here. You can of course print your budget with the way you see it on the screen. You can print it and send it to your colleagues. And of course, you can use a tool that gives you chance to see actual entries in GL entries. So you can look up the amounts here and see what entries gives these values, and you can compare it with budget and see the percentage of using the budget amount. With these tools you can check all those information. You can find also in the system some sales and purchase budgets. We'll deal with them in details in sales course and purchase course, but I will just show it to you.